Hey everybody, Dr. McCollum here. I'm so excited about 2020. I call it Vision 2020 on getting your health resolutions in place. So we're going to help you with this. On January 15th at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, I will be doing my introductory workshop talking about the cellular healing lifestyle. And this is a 7-week course. We're utilizing Dr. Dan Pompa's Stenomics workshop. We're going to teach you how to get into the ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting, putting in ancient healing strategies and cellular detoxification. It is an amazing course. We did it all year last year. You definitely want to be part of it. So you can either come in person at Severino's in Aptos. It's 7500 Old Dominion Way in Aptos, for those of you that live local. Or if you want to watch it online, you can register by calling McCollum Family Chiropractic, 831-459-9990, or info@McCollum Family Chiropractic. And it's $25 at the door or $15 in advance. But definitely tune in. This 1-hour program is going to really get you geared up on how to actually get your health back this year. So we'll see you then. Have a great day.